Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send videos as snaps on Snapchat. So let's begin. So here we are in Snapchat, and as you can see, I have my camera already right here. So right away, I can just record a video or maybe take a picture just like this one just by pressing this circle icon right here in the center at the bottom, or just holding it to take a video. And as you can see, I have recorded a video successfully right here. And this is what you would see after you have successfully recorded a video. So from here, you have this option right here, this plus sign right here at the bottom left. You can click or tap on this one so that you can add another video to on top of the previous video that you have recorded. So it's basically just like a jump cut, and as you can see, I am currently recording, and as you can see, the time is 15 seconds, which means that the time continues from the previous video. And as you can see right here at the bottom, I have my 9.5 seconds and 10 seconds right there. So it's basically just a jump cut. And you can preview it by tapping on preview button right here. So you can preview the clips right here, and you can trim each one of them just like this one, and you want to drag this to trim it into how short you would like it to be. And once you're done, you want to tap on the check mark, and you have successfully edited that clip. And once you are satisfied with the snap, then you can just go and hit on save right here, and you can save it to memories or maybe in your camera roll just like that. It depends on you, or you can just tap on this plus button right here so that you can add more if you're not satisfied, or if you're satisfied, then you can just go and let's undo this for a bit. Let's preview, and then you want to tap here on the next one so that in here you can see the list of contacts that you can send this snap into. So it depends on who you want to send it to. So for example, I just want to send it to myself right here, and I want to select myself right here, and you want to tap on the send button right here, the color blue one, and after that it has been sent. As you can see at the top, snap sent. And the next thing, if you just want to send something in your camera roll, then that is very easy. You just have to tap on this button right here. We have the gallery icon, and from here we can see the camera roll right here. We have the snaps, and you can also go here into your camera roll. You can tap here, or you can go here into your stories so that you can send past stories. And for my eyes only right here, some private photos that you have right here that you are not sharing with other people, or you currently don't have set it as private. Or you could just go tap here on this messages icon right here just beside the magnifying glass or the camera icon, and you can see all the conversations that you have right here, or all the chats, and you want to go into the person that you want to send a snap. So for example, this one, so I want to go into this conversation. So let's just go back. Let's say in Team Snapchat right here. So I want to send a snap to this conversation. I just want to tap on this gallery icon right here. You want to tap on this, and you can see all the gallery that you have right here, all the pictures, the videos that you want to send right here. So for example, I want to send this one. So all I have to do is simply tap on that video, and you can just go, let me try again. Tap on that video, and you can have the blue button right here. This is a send right here, or you could just simply hold at that video so that you can edit it furthermore right here, and you can send it right here at the bottom right of your screen if you're done editing it, or if you're satisfied with your video. And that's basically it, how you can send snaps on Snapchat.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.